Hey, Steve.
Hey, KJ.
Hey, where are we going now?
We are heading to actually Dallas today. And then eventually we are on our way to Disney World and a Disney cruise on the Disney Magic.
All right.
So it's going to be a different, you're going to see more people this time. We're going with my brother and his wife and my sister and her husband. So it's a family vacation.
One of them hasn't never been on a Disney cruise.
Well, neither of the other couples
right.
have ever been on a Disney cruise. They've been to Disney World. They're big Disney fans, so we're gonna break them in on their inaugural Disney cruise, and hopefully they will love it as much as we do. So come go with us.
Come go with us. There you go. Can you believe you made it? There you go.
Actually, there were times when I didn't think it would happen. I am. I do believe it.
Okay, I'm just going to show you. Okay, we made it to Orlando again.
We're here.
So we have 3 nights here, and then we're going to get on the Disney Magic cruise ship for 4 nights.
4-night cruise.
But we'll show you Saratoga Springs real quick. This is a deluxe preferred room.
Preferred studio.
Yeah. And we are in Congress Park area.
Yeah.
So we're in 1823.
23.
So when you come in, you always have this big mirror.
Big mirror there. That's the door to the
room.
connecting room. You got a little spot to hang some jackets and stuff. You got your little kitchenette area with refrigerator, microwave. You got
Paper plates.
Here in the studio, you get real stuff in the. And then you just got some coffee. You got a regular little drip coffee, 3 deals of coffee, a few teas.
Toaster. And then you come right over here. Oops.
You get your bathroom.
You get your bathroom. You got one sink.
One sink. You got a couple of drawers for storage, hair dryers in one of the drawers, extra toilet paper, and then you've got
Extra
bedding
bedding
for the fold-down bed. You got your room safe, and then you have your bathroom area, which is a tub shower combo, and you have the rainfall shower head and a handheld wand.
Yeah.
And then your product, obviously, on the wall, as always. And then you get just your, that's...
Regular bedroom.
Yeah.
You have
queen size
USB.
You got some plugs and USBs on the lamps on each side. You got nightstands on each side. You got you got great storage, big dresser with 6 drawers. You've got plug-ins and USB ports on both sides of this. And then, like I say, you've got the hideaway bed, which just folds down. You slide out the table. Okay. They usually fold down a little easier than that. You've got a light. You got a nice little picture in the background. You've got a light that doesn't work.
Okay.
So anyway, it's okay. It's all good. Nobody's probably gonna sleep in this bed anyway. So that goes back up in there. This you can raise that up if you want to eat. And then there's storage down below. Then, as always, Disney has the storage under the bed for your suitcases. So.
And then here is our view.
And then we actually
finally got a good view at Saratoga Springs. We're on the 4th floor, which I like. And Disney Springs is right across there.
Disney Springs right across there. You got a little bit of a pool view room. So not too bad.
Oh, this is one of the.
Yeah, we're usually tucked in the corner.
Tucked in a corner with the studio, but this is not bad for us.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Good morning from Magic Kingdom, Saratoga Springs Resort.
So what is today time? Today is
the Magic Kingdom and the Keys to the Kingdom tour. So
we're gonna go on the Keys of the Kingdom tour. They give us free lunch. We had breakfast in the room. And then we have the Fast Pass or Lightning Lane for
individual lightning lane for the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
Because David has to be on it.
Has to be on it.
Put him on it.
One ride that he had to ride when he came to Magic Kingdom, he said. So we got an individual lightning lane to make sure we could get it done. So anyway, that's going to be.
Then I want to do Tiana's.
Yeah, maybe so.
Soaking wet on Tiana's.
So anyway,
and
so come go with us.
Guys, what time is it?
It's Tiana.
Are you excited?
Carolyn is so excited. Tiana time.
Yay! Y'all hear me scream. Tiana. Here we go.
I'm turning back now.
55 minutes.
We're here.
We're here.
Another one of those.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, we did it.
There we go.
Oh yeah, y'all got it. I have to clean I didn't get you right. You have to clean your up. Did y'all get right?
Not bad.
Okay, what time is it?
It's 7 They move the vulture over here.
What time is it? It's beignet time.
Unknown. We button you.
The button is Tron Master.
Yeah.
Tron.
Did Tron.
Now she's gonna have to do it every time she comes to visit.
There's no turning back now.
What time is it now, guys? Pool time. Pool time.
Good morning. How you doing today? We're day 2 at Disney World.
We did the Kingdom of the Kings yesterday.
Keys to the
Keys to the Kingdom
tour. Yes. Outstanding tour.
Outstanding tour. If you have a chance to do it, do
Had
it.
an
But it
amazing-
is 5 hours.
Had an amazing tour guide named Priscilla who was phenomenal. Shared a lot of information. Definitely worth the money, but it is 5 hours of a lot of walking, a lot of standing in the heat. So
Yeah.
anyway, but it was well worth it. And then today we're off to Animal Kingdom. We've got a character breakfast this morning at Tusker House.
Yep.
And then we are doing the Wild Africa Trek
Another
this
behind the
afternoon.
scenes.
Behind the scenes deal. So come go with us.
Got our
time.
cruise shirts
Got
on.
the cruise shirts on. See the flag. There's the flag.